Good evening and welcome to Veterans Memorial Middle School Open House. We're so glad that you joined us this evening. We know that you're going to meet some great teachers and learn a lot about what your children are doing in the classroom and how to access digitally their grades and any information that you need for the class. You'll have a paper similar to this that you'll get in first period. Your child should have written their schedule down so that you can follow that. If you need any help or assistance, there will be somebody in the rotunda with a computer that can give you information about your child's schedule. Also, this evening we'll be talking a little bit about our school improvement plan, which consists of students doing self-goal setting and progress monitoring. We do follow the philosophy of growth mindset, which means your child will be continuing to learn until they've mastered the standards. If they do fail an assessment, that's okay. It's part of the learning process. The teachers will work with them to learn the material and to reassess. That will happen sometimes in the classroom, sometimes in after-school tutoring. And if the students are not coming to the tutoring and not being available mentally in the classroom, we will assign academic detention. Please understand that's to make sure that your child is learning the material and is successful. So we encourage you to support us in that endeavor, and we found that to be extremely successful. And our student pass rate here at Veterans Memorial is just incredible with that growth mindset philosophy. Also, we'll be talking a little bit about how to access Canvas. You'll be getting a sheet like this in your first period. It has our school improvement plan, our goals on the back, and then on the front, it'll give you information about how to access Infinite Campus and the Canvas page where you can follow your child's grades, you can follow the activities in the classroom, and each teacher will be talking more about that as you visit the classroom about how specifically to access their information. Also, little housekeeping. I would like to speak to you quickly about before school. Please remember that your children cannot be on campus before 8 o'clock. That's when the adults arrive. If they do get on campus before 8 o'clock, we do offer Columbus Parks and Rec before school service. We need you to take advantage of that. If they are here when an adult arrives prior to 8, we'll have the student go ahead and go into the cafeteria and sign in, and that will be a $5 fee. So if you need to drop in, that's fine, but you need to be sure that if they are on campus, you understand that we will go ahead and escort them in the building, and there will be a $5 before school fee. And we appreciate your help with that. It's all about keeping our children safe and monitored at all times. Also, book bags. Thank you for helping us with book bags. I know it's been a switch for some of the students. We do only allow the drawstring bags on campus. That's for safety reasons. And they do have access to a locker. If your child has not gained access to their locker, please let your teacher know. We'll help them learn how to use those. We do encourage that. Students should not have to have a book bag full of items coming home every day. Your teachers will be more than happy to assist in that area. Also, dress code. Please monitor your children's clothes as they go out in the day. There are no leggings to be worn at school. Anything with leggings, the top should come almost to the knees, and that is the same with shorts and dresses. If you can just monitor that, anything that doesn't come almost to the knees is not something that we would appreciate the children wearing at school. If your child does happen to be in violation of the dress code, we do have some items, clean clothes items that they can pick out and change into. Otherwise, you can bring them something for home, or if that's not available or accessible to you, then we will ask them to be in in-school suspension for the day to do their work. And again, I apologize for any inconvenience, but be sure that your children are following dress code, and it's always great to have a backup outfit or a backup pair of jeans, and that way we'll never have to worry about that situation. Also, we can like for you to continue to follow us on social media. On Facebook, you'll find a lot of updated information. You will also find information through our email. We'll send out a Connect Ed email. If you're not receiving those, there will be a place in the rotunda to sign up before you leave to be sure that we have your email correct. Again, Facebook, it's the Veterans Memorial Middle School page, Columbus, Georgia. Please be sure that you find the Facebook page that is updated and accurate. If you find that, you know you're on the right one. Additionally, many teachers have Remind 101. They'll talk about that in the classroom. So we have multiple ways for you to gain access to the class. So please be sure that you're using those. If you need to sign up for Parent Portal, and not receiving access to Infinite Campus in the grades, again, in the rotunda before you leave, there'll be an opportunity to sign up for that. We wish you a great evening. So thankful you're here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those with the teachers. Tonight is about meeting the teachers and getting information from the class. If you would like to schedule a personal conference with a teacher to discuss your child, please be sure you let the teacher know and they'll allow you to sign up for that. Again, thank you and have a great evening.